Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to see two parts of your Google Sheets side by side, maybe to compare data or edit two sections at once, you might have noticed there's no straightforward split view button like you'd find in some other spreadsheet programs. But don't worry, today I'll walk you through a clever little workaround that lets you split your view in Google Sheets and boost your productivity. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up your workspace so you can easily work on multiple areas of your sheet at the same time. Let's dive right in. Now, since Google Sheets doesn't actually have a built-in split view feature, we're going to create our own version using Chrome tabs and Windows. The first thing you'll want to do is open the Google Sheet you want to work on. Take a moment to make sure you're looking at the file you'll need. Next, glance up at your browser's address bar and click to highlight the URL for your Google Sheet. Just like you're about to share the link with someone, but instead, let's copy it. You can either right-click and pick Copy, or simply use the shortcut Ctrl+C. Copying the link is important because it lets us open the very same spreadsheet in a new location, so both views stay in sync. Here comes the magic. Open a new tab by pressing Ctrl+T on your keyboard. This shortcut instantly creates a fresh new tab so you don't have to click around or lose your momentum. In this new tab, paste the Google Sheets URL you just copied, either with Ctrl+V or by right-clicking and choosing Paste. Hit Enter, and now you have two tabs open, both showing the same spreadsheet. Think of this like having two windows into the same house. Each can peer into a different room or section. Now for the essential part. Click and drag the new tab you just created away from the rest of your browser's tabs all the way outside the Chrome window. If you've never done this before, it's a bit like detaching a note from a notebook. Just drag it away, and Chrome will pop it out into its own separate window. This is key because now you can view both parts of your sheet side by side instead of toggling back and forth between tabs. Take a deep breath because we're almost there. Go ahead and minimize both of these Chrome windows. Don't worry if your desktop gets cluttered. We just need to see both sheet windows at the same time. Start arranging them so they sit next to each other on your screen. You can drag the edges to resize them, making sure each window displays the area of your sheet you care about. Now you've effectively created your very own split view. With this setup, you can easily work on, say, your summary in one window and your raw data in the other, flipping back and forth instantly. It's just like having a super wide spreadsheet, but way more customizable. If you've ever tried to remember what was in row 200 while editing row 5, you'll absolutely appreciate this approach. And if your workflow changes, you can always tweak the size of each window or focus on whatever section you need whenever you need it. And that's it. You've now learned how to create a split view effect in Google Sheets with just a few quick steps. If this workaround helps you out, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are other Google Sheets tricks you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more handy tutorials every week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.